Let's learn the names of construction vehicles. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a dump truck. This is a dump truck. It hauls dirt and sand, then dumps it out with a lift so grand. This is a road roller. This is a road roller. It rolls on the ground to make it smooth all around. This is a cement mixer truck. This is a cement mixer truck. Its spinning drum mixes cement till it's ready to pour with pluck. This is a forklift. This is a forklift. It lifts heavy boxes with metal arms swift. This is a skid steer loader. This is a skid steer loader. It spins in tight spots and digs like a coder. This is a bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. It pushes rocks and dirt with a blade like a mover. This is a backloader. This is a backloader. It scoops in front and digs in back. What a clever motor! This is a grader. This is a grader. It smooths the land with a long blade like a skater. This is an excavator. This is an excavator. It digs deep holes with a bucket and arm like a creator. This is a crane truck. This is a crane truck. It lifts things high with a boom that's tough and stuck. This is a paver. This is a paver. It spreads hot asphalt to make roads smoother and braver. This is a trencher. This is a trencher. It cuts narrow paths for pipes and cables like a launcher. This is a tower crane. This is a tower crane. It's super tall and lifts things high like a giant plane. This is a pile driver. This is a pile driver. It pounds poles deep to make buildings stand like a survivor. This is a wheel loader. This is a wheel loader. It scoops and moves heavy stuff like a bowl holder. This is a scraper. This is a scraper. It scrapes and collects soil to make land flatter and safer. This is an articulated dump truck. This is an articulated dump truck. It bends in the middle to turn on rough ground without getting stuck. This is a telehandler. This is a telehandler. It lifts things high with a boom arm like a superhandler. This is an asphalt milling machine. This is an asphalt milling machine. It grinds old roads so new ones can gleam. This is a utility truck. This is a utility truck. It carries tools and parts to fix machines and help with luck. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.